Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone XR. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns off and turns back on. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. Also comment down below something funny. You can let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been hard resetted. Sorry, I said that a little too early, but you catch my drift. It's about to do it. It's making me a liar right now. There you guys go.